Hello everyone, I am Efren Hablos. Today I will present data set 1 about student score analysis. Introduction. First, data analysis help use understand information. Second is it is used in monitoring student performance. Third is presentation analysis score from 10 students. Analysis is important because it helps teachers and students understand performance and learning outcome. Next slide is dataset 1 student score na 85, Ben 78, Carla 92, Dib 88, Ella 95, Franz 81, Grace 87, Henry 90, Ivy 76, Jake 84. Table show the score of 10 students. Most students receive score above 80. The next slide is highest and lowest scores. Highest scores equals 95. Lowest scores equals 76. And the range is equal 19. Mean or average. Mean formula. X equals 85 plus 78 plus 92 plus 88 plus 95 plus 81 plus 87 plus 90 plus 76 plus 84. Divide 10 equals 85.6. To compute the average, we'll add all scores and divide them by the numbers of students. The average scores is 85.6.
Hello everyone, I'm the last presenter of this group and my name is Ivan J. Sablayan Cabonilas. Interpretation of data. Most students performed well. Average score is above 85. The class performer is satisfactory. Based on the data, students generally perform well because average score is high. Importance of data analysis. Helps teachers evaluate students. Identifies areas for improvement. Improves teaching and learning. Data analysis helps schools improve education and monitor students' progress. Conclusion. High score 95. Lowest score 76. Average score is 85.6. Overall performance is satisfactory. In conclusion, the students showed good academic performance based on the collected data. Thank you and goodbye.